Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more update.
Hi friends, today we are going to achieve this smooth spinning effect. At first you have to import raw footage inside Premiere Pro. Create new sequence HDV 720p 25 frames per second. Trim the footage by using shortcut key I for in point and O for out point and drag it into the timeline. I have trimmed the two footage equal size, which is 25 frames. For using this effect, we should cut 10 frames in the middle of the both footage. Right click the both clips and nest the clip. In effect browser, search for replicate and drag it into the top of the nested sequence. Change the count value to 3 and then search for transform in the effect browser. Tick the uniform scale and change the value to 300. Make a key for rotation, one at the start point and at the end point. The end value should be 1x and the start value should be 0. Uncheck the composite shutter angle and change the shutter angle value to 360. Finally, we are going to use a brightness and contrast effect and drag it into the effect control panel. The middle value should be 50 for brightness and contrast 75. Make 3 keys, one at the start point and the middle and the end. Then go to the rotation key and select both keys and make it ease in, and then select brightness and contrast overall key and make it ease out. Let's quick render and see the result. By importing sound, it makes more organic for this effect. Let's export and see the final result. The export settings should be H264. The preset should be in YouTube HD 720p. And export the video. Here is the final result of our video. We have achieved a smooth spin transition effect. Thanks for watching, viewers. If you like our video, please subscribe